Everyone wants to know the answer to this one question. Does semen retention actually make you more attractive? Well, today we are going to look into some of the benefits of being on semen retention. And lastly, does it actually make you more attractive to females? Well, let's start off by looking into some of the benefits that you are going to experience when being on semen retention. Now, you have to realize that you won't see any of these benefits until you have been on semen retention for at least 7 days. After 7 days, you are likely to see loads of great benefits. Some of the benefits that you will start seeing mentally include improved motivation. Now, you will start to notice this increase in motivation pretty fast, and I'll tell you just why. When you release semen, you release a neurotransmitter called dopamine, which acts as a reward system in your brain. This becomes a big problem if you are releasing semen too much, as it rewards your brain for doing basically nothing. Stopping this makes smaller tasks seem so much more rewarding, which will motivate you to actually want to do stuff. Another benefit is that you will have a higher level of self-control. If you can conquer semen retention, you can conquer anything. Holding back the urge to relapse is so difficult and is the reason why so many people fail at semen retention. Now to the main question. Does semen retention actually make you more attractive to women? From my personal experience, I've noticed when you retain semen, you become more vibrant, productive, self-assured, and attractive because your face and body just exude life. So, for this reason, you are going to attract more women. I've noticed that when I'm on holiday for a long period of time and on semen retention, I seem to attract so much more women and occasionally some gay men. Hopefully this answered your question and made you want to start semen retention. If you want to learn any more about semen retention, make sure to check out the next video that's on screen and subscribe for more videos in the future. Until next time, see ya!